Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Smirnoff Fame Frequency Party Pitch winners UMA showcased their 90s dancehall theme Step Out on Saturday night. Step Out featured a performance from agent Sasco, who had social media in a frenzy during his set.
Yo, when I press that internship button, right about now. See that? So we touch you, see that 7 sweet like when you're on it. I must see these two boys, see them as around it. I'm about to send the haters a card to get well because them sick of it. Them see you in a your Zoom vibe and them sick of it. But that's the old habit. Yes, I hate it, other duty.
Dance Xpressionz added to Saturday's thrill with a 90s versus 2010s dance clash.
Batman forward, Batman pull up, Batman pull up.
This man from
Watch thing now do the Batman pull up, Batman forward, Batman pull up. Rum up the what?
Team member Orville also gave a Smirnoff Smash Dance challenge.
And chase. 4. We're smashing now. What was up? Smash. Hey. Smash.
Watch ya.
And smash.
Hey!
And smash. We're ready for drink now. What's up? 1, 2, 3, 4.
The event aired live on RETV, TVJ, and the Radio Jamaica and Fame brands, and featured DJ Narity, the Captain Colin Hines, King Taj, and DJ Deli, who played music from the 90s.
Oh Rachel, white out a girl with a body yourself. And in a book, like hotel. Make it no one, no empty shell. But mine is active.
Trust my ladies on set. Trust my ladies on Zoom. No sir, YouTube. IG, RETV.
All the sexy honeys put you hand.
Put on your new.
Now, reggae artist and percussionist Denver Felipe Smith passed away on Saturday in Mexico, where he was receiving treatment for colon cancer. Members of the entertainment industry have since taken to Instagram to send their condolences to the reggae artist. Felipe was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer back in 2014. Earlier this year, a GoFundMe account was established to help the artist offset the cost for his treatment in Mexico, sending condolences to his family and friends. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.